My name is Javier, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a bunch of new rumors about the iPhone 16, different sizes that we are expecting. I know it's the start of the new year, and already we've been having iPhone 16 rumors. So let's dive right in. We also got a new update and also new rumors about new AirPods, AirPods 3, AirPods Pro 3, I believe, and AirPods Max. So let's dive right into the first Apple news. We're going to be seeing a lot of brand new stores that are planned to be open in Los Angeles, Toronto, and Atlanta. This is one of the photos from Mac Rumors. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to read the article. We also heard that the Apple Watch Series 9 and Ultra 2 are available back in stores and online until January 15. We don't know when they'll be kicked off the store and online, but it's available now to purchase till January 15th. As Apple has been working so hard with their new AI features and integration with Siri, Microsoft has released a new app on the App Store called Microsoft Copilot. And it says up top, your everyday AI companion. So this also comes with ChatGPT 4. You'll be able to use directly in the app, so you don't have to sign on to it. So if we open the app here real quick, so we hit continue, we turn this on, and then it just prompts you on how to get started with the application. So iOS 17.3 beta 2, we are expecting the new release coming next week on Monday or Tuesday. We'll also have another following beta in the week of 15 and maybe the final release in the end of January. We also might be seeing a iOS 17.2 update just in case of any security updates, and a beta coming in the end of January, like I said, which the Apple Vision Pro is rumored to release in the end of January, beginning of February. After all those beta fixes and updates here and there, we should be able to see iOS 18 in the beginning in the month of June. So hopefully we'll be seeing the first beta in the week of the 10th or the 3rd. So let's dive into the rumors of iPhone 16. We might be getting a new action button here on the side of the phone for capture for the camera. I personally hope they do move the action button a little bit down here because it's hard to reach all the way up here to press that button. And we'll be seeing new rumors of new cameras. We're going to be keeping the same titanium frame for sure. I don't think Apple will redesign the phone yet. We're also going to be seeing a new size bump increase on the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, a 6.3-inch display to a 6.27-inch display. We'll be seeing new sizes on the iPhone 16. The smaller ones will be seeing a 16.3-inch to a 6.9-inch, which will be the biggest iPhone yet. Honestly, I don't think we're going to be needing a bigger display. This is already big enough. Maybe they'll be able to shrink and thin out the bezels on the corner of the screens, but honestly, I think this is a good size phone. A little bit bigger might be a little bit too big for me personally, but what do you think? Let me know down below if you would prefer this screen size or a little bit bigger size. Hopefully with a newer, bigger display, we're going to be seeing a bigger battery increase, better chips inside, cooling system to compensate of the big size, and also a bigger display. We're also expected new AirPods this year. AirPods Pro 3, AirPods 4, and a new AirPods Pro Max 2 as well, hopefully in later this year, but we might be seeing a new redesign of the AirPods Pro coming in 2025. We should be seeing new AirPods Max as well. We have a funny looking case for the AirPods Max, like we've seen in the past before. Weird goofy case that come with the AirPods itself. Hopefully, in my opinion personally, I think they should go to foldable headphones like they did with Beats. I think they fit perfectly in a smaller case like we had before a long time ago. But what do you guys think? Would you prefer the bigger AirPods Max with that funky case or a foldable headphones to fit in a smaller pouch? Apple is also rumored to be working on a new HomePod with a screen display built in next year. I personally don't think I would want a display up front, and I'll leave the link down below and I'll show you a quick picture of what they look like, but I'd prefer maybe a slighter bigger circle on top, or I guess it does look nicer when the screen is displayed, but maybe just a bigger circle on top, more screen ability to skip between songs and not just the glowing Siri that we have on the AirPod. So looks like we're also rumored to have a bunch of new iPads this year. Apple has planning a spring launch for revamped iPad Pros, new iPad Airs, including a 12.9-inch size, revamped Magic Keyboard, and an Apple Pencil. I hope they redesign the Apple Pencil because it's awful to have that little, when you pull out the little end part of the Apple Pencil to plug it in. I thought plugging the Apple Pencil into the iPad to charge was bad. I think I prefer that than the little thing, whatever. But the M3 13-inch and a 15-inch MacBook Airs, which will be seen very, very soon. Like I said, Apple needs to redesign that pencil. I'd prefer, actually, you know what? I'd prefer a wireless charger. Scratch that, I'm sorry. I'd prefer Apple to bring back where you just place the Apple Pencil onto the iPad magnetically for it to charge. I'd rather have that than anything else. Hopefully with the new iPads as well, we might be seeing a titanium base body for the iPads, which would be pretty cool. A full-on iPad with titanium will be a nice touch to the lineup for the iPhones. We're about a month away or so for the final release of the Apple Vision Pro. Late January or early February, Apple has also released patents for supporting accessories for the Vision Pro. Apple has emerged new design patents filling from Hong Kong, relieving the first party headset accessories for the first time. So we're going to see a lot of new accessories. Very cool cases for the Vision Pros. Hopefully they have some hard shell cases to protect the Vision Pro because as expensive as it is, you need to protect that headset. Apple has also been rumored to have plans to launch a RGB OLED's Vision Pro in 2027, so a next generation of the Vision Pro in 2027. So we'll see what they are planned. Hopefully they do bring down the price just a little bit. I would say at least start at 2,500 instead of the 3,500 or even 1,000, which would be much more affordable, but I understand the technology and the design of the Vision Pro, why the price point is there. Well, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't yet already, hit subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and down below, I will leave the link to the wallpaper in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.